Hi and welcome. My name is Tomáš Bielik. I'm the BMW Motorrad manager at MD Bavaria Žilina in Slovakia. I'm excited to share with you today how we implemented our CRM processes that have completely transformed the way we work with our customers and brought us measurable and long-term results. At MD Bavaria Žilina, we are proud to be part of BMW family since 2001. Today, we operate in a group at two locations, Žilina and Trenčín, with a team of nearly 150 colleagues representing BMW, BMW Motorrad, Mini Service and MG Motor. Let's start with what really matters, the numbers. The CRM has become one of the most powerful tools in our business.
When we were designing our product together with dealers, our focus was clear: to meet unique and complex needs of the automotive industry. We wanted to cover the entire customer journey, from leads coming in through websites to building strong customer loyalty program.
Let's see why it could be a source of inspiration on your own journeys. In the last 5 years, we have increased the number of CRM leads we process from 700 to more than 2,400 per year. And that's not just a number. Each of these leads is tracked, qualified and followed up with a clear performance data. Even more importantly, our conversion rate has more than doubled, from 6% to over 13%. These results are not coincidence. They come from a clear structure, right tools, and motivated team that put the customer first every time. CRM at MD Bavaria Group is not just software, it is mindset. It connects every part of customer journey from first contact to after sales.
What makes this implementation really stand out is how sales and marketing work together. There are no silos, just one team, one goal, and one unique 360-degree view of a customer.
Every interaction, whether financial, in-person, or online, is recorded in our CRM lead management system. This gives us a complete customer picture and makes it easier to communicate consistently and respond to individual needs.
Thanks to Automotive CRM, everybody involved can see the full picture. Every tracked email, every integrated offer, every interaction, all in one place. And that means faster follow-ups, more meaningful conversations, and smarter campaigns.
Let me walk you through how we have structured our CRM system and roles. At the top of the sales funnel is our dedicated customer service team. They are responsible for capturing leads from all sources, website, phone calls, campaigns, events, and even historical data, qualifying those leads and guiding them into the sales processes, providing fast and friendly first contact, setting the tone for the entire experience. They also handle reactivating previous customers, sending invitation to events, conducting satisfaction surveys, preparing detailed reports to track effectiveness. Once the lead is qualified, our sales team takes over. They have clear KPIs, contacting each qualified lead, maintaining regular communication, following up with consistency and personal approach. We monitor performance closely, looking at the response time, activity levels, and conversion rates. Our managers play a key role in keeping everything running smoothly. On regular basis, review CRM data and sales results, identify patterns and opportunities for improvement, and support team with clear feedback and direction. CRM at our dealership wouldn't be as effective without the smart automation. Here are just a few examples. We automatically import and assign online leads. Leads from events are created automatically. Sales activities are generated based on follow-up needs. We have call queues for neglected opportunities. We automate daily and weekly reports on tasks. open leads, weekly sales performance reports, and detailed reports of closed and successful opportunities. This helps us stay on track and keep the customer experience consistent. One of the most important things we have learned is always listen to your customer. Their feedback shape our processes. Thanks to surveys and real-life conversations, we are constantly changing the way we work to meet their expectations. This direct feedback also allows us proactively adapt to changing customer needs and ever-changing market demands.
MD Bavaria is unique in how they build their processes. Marketing doesn't just support sales, it drives it. Salespeople are no longer wasting their time chasing unqualified leads. They are working on real opportunities, and that means they can focus on what they do best, selling vehicles.
Our CRM success story is not about one-time project. It's about consistency, teamwork, and customer-first attitude every single day. We hope our experience shows that with the right structure and motivation, the CRM can become a very powerful growth engine. Thank you very much for your attention today. I wish you all happy sales and a lot of satisfied customers. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach to us. My name is Tomáš Bielik. I'm the BMW Motorrad Manager in MD Bavaria Žilina. I wish you all have a great day and goodbye.